Welcome back friend in my channel. So in this tutorial video I'll show you how to use a Snapgene file, and here I will show you different features of the Snapgene file. In my previous video I showed you how to open any sequence by using Snapgene. So here I will use some different features. So first I will show you how to select and copy any DNA sequence. So this is a DNA sequence. So if you want to copy this part, just select it and edit and copy top strand. If you want to copy the bottom strand, you can also select this one, 5' to 3' or 3' to 5'. Okay, so this is the DNA sequence part. And if you directly want to copy any protein sequence, then you have to click from here in the protein part, and specific protein part you have to end it, and then you have to select it, the left mouse, and then just release it here. So this is the selected, and then edit and copy proteins. So when you copy protein, then already is copied, so it's ready to paste anywhere you want to paste it. Okay, so this is the copy and paste part. And then if you would like to find any sequence, any small sequence or large sequence in this plasmid, then you have to go to the edit part and find. So at first, for that I would like to copy this sequence from here, copy top strand, and then this sequence I would like to find here. Okay, so edit, find, and here you can see the DNA sequence and protein sequence. So this is a DNA sequence, and paste here, and next. You see, it's showing where it is matching actually. Okay, so this is the DNA sequence part. So if you want to copy the protein and would like to check it here, that also you can do. So from here, anywhere you can copy your protein sequence part and copy it, copy protein, and then you have to choose the find protein sequence and paste here. So after that, you will get, so this is exactly matching. See, this is exactly matching your sequence part here. So this is how you can find any small or large sequence in your plasmid. And also if you would like to see any primers, hide your primers or show your primers, you can do also that. So if you would like to show your primer, then you have to view and primers, then all of the primers regarding this Snapgene file, it's showing here. So it's this click means is all of the primers are in view. You can see all of the primers. So if you would like to hide these primers, so you can hide also. Okay, so if you would like to any selected primers, if you want to view, then you can do that. So I would like to hide all of this primer, only these two primer I would like to see in my Snapgene file. Not only two, there are, okay, so let's say on this all of the primer I would like to hide except 2 primers. Okay, so these 2 primers only in view. Okay, and then directly go to the sequence. So you see all of the primers are hidden, so only this one primer and this primer you can see. Okay, so also if you would like to view any enzymes, that you can also do that from here. So only here right now these enzymes are in view and also site. Okay, this is not all of the enzymes added, so you also choose enzymes from here and add from here, and then accordingly you can see this kind of enzymes in your Snapgene files. And also there are some useful tools that is for a codon optimization tool, or sorry, codon to check the codon. So that is the codon uses tables. So in this table it's showing the different codon and their frequency and and their all of the information about it. So this is the organism, and accordingly it will show the codon. So if you select it in different organism like E. coli, then it will change accordingly. So this is very important tools. You can use it also. So okay, that's it guys. So in my other video I'll show other features about the Snapgene. Thanks guys, I hope this video will be helpful.